Welcome back to Director's Chair. You have the mindset, you have the dashboard, you know how to keep the safety filters happy. Today, we stop guessing and start engineering. If you ever typed a prompt into a video model and thought, well, that's not what I picture at all, it's because you left a vacuum. And AI will fill in the blanks with whatever it wants. To take total control of your scene, you need a blueprint. Today, I'm giving you the exact 4-part formula I use to build bulletproof prompts. The secret is the S.E.A.S formula: subject, environment, action, style. Let's say we are building a launch campaign for a high-tech new EV. If you just type a cool car driving fast, the AI has to guess the car model, the location, the camera angle, and the lighting. Let's build it properly using S.E.A.S model. Subject: this is your hero. Be ruthlessly specific. Instead of a car, we write a sleek, futuristic silver electric sedan with seamless LED headlights. Environment: where are we shooting today? We write driving along the sun-drenched Pacific Coast Highway in California with the deep blue ocean in the background. Third, action. This is the 4th dimension we talked about in video 1. What is moving? We write gliding smoothly and silently around a sweeping curve, sunlight aggressively glinting off the panoramic glass roof. Fourth, style. This is your cinematography lighting and medium. We write high-end commercial aesthetic, shot on 35mm lens, low-angle dynamic drone tracking shot, golden hour lighting. When you put it all together, you get this: a sleek, futuristic, silver electric sedan with seamless LED headlights, driving along the sun-drenched Pacific Coast Highway in California, with the deep blue ocean in the background, gliding smoothly and silently around a sweeping curve, sunlight aggressively glinting off the panoramic glass roof. High-end commercial aesthetics, shoot on 35mm lens, low angle, dynamic drone tracking shot, golden hour lighting. Look at that shot.
Silent, sleek, effortless. The future of driving is here, bathed in golden light.
It looks like it cost $100,000 and a crew of 50 people to film. We did it in 30 seconds. Because we didn't leave any room for the AI to guess. Subject, environment, action, and style. Your turn. Open VO3. We are going to play Director's Mad Labs. I want you to fill in the blanks of this exact formula. For the subject, we use adjective, subject with detail. Environment, in a lighting condition, specific location. Action, verb ending in ing, how they are doing it. Style, shot on, type of lens, camera type. Camera movement, try it with something entirely different. Maybe a barista making coffee or an astronaut discovering a new planet. Run your prompt. I guarantee it will be the most coherent video you've generated yet. Master the S.E.A.S formula and you'll never stare at a blank prompt box again. On the next video, we are going to supercharge the style part of that equation. We are going to build your director's dictionary so you can stop relying on the word cinematic and start getting exact aesthetics. See you there.